Hello, good morning.
Hello.
And welcome to the 2016 Rudeboyz RC Scale Truck Challenge. It's called different things in different places, right? So we're going with a point system this year to change it up a little bit from last year. So progress, it's just like crawling rules basically. Progress is -2, a gate is 10, rollover is 5, a boundary marker is 10, which is a gate. The vehicle touch is 10. Going the wrong direction through a gate is 10. Self-recovery, which is when you use your winch, 1 point. Assisted recovery, which is basically a hand of God or touch, is 10. You point out at 100 points. If you do not finish, it is a point out plus 20 points. If you fail to start, it is a point out plus 50 points. Okay? Once pointed in, there is no part swapping of any kind. The tires, the pinion, the spur, motors, etc. that you point in with is what you run with. You point in with scale stuff, it stays on your truck all day. You yard sale, it's up to you to pick it up and keep going. When we do the tow test, there are weights welded into the truck so they do not fall out. However, if the box happens to flip up, you stop, you put it back down, and you continue to go. Or sorry, the judge will. There is absolutely no competitors touching their trucks once you cross the start line.
Not at all.
If you do, it is an automatic DNF.
Even for winching?
Nothing. You control your winch. So if you have a switch on your truck, it's fine to run that. But if you catch your truck with your foot, that's a no-no. Pardon me. Judges only touch the vehicle. So the judge will follow you up the hill climb per se. And when you roll over, he'll catch your truck. So, only broken parts can be changed. You need to check with the judge, show them the broken part and the one that you intend on installing. You take your truck off the course. There. Where you got your scorecard?
Up here.
You gotta come back. There's a trick to it.
Attaboy.
That flag's dead, so you can hit it. Nice, nice, nice.
I can't change what? Well, I ain't gonna. What do you want me to do, man? Hey, you want to take an encore? Ah! I'm just taking it with me. There you go. Now that's a stick. It's a unicorn. That's 2.0. I think I'm gonna argue for style points.
Absolutely. Have you finished with that? Especially up there?
Yeah.
Is he really? Yeah. He's like carried it from that pit.
Yeah.
Just like that. It might actually be helping him.
I don't think so.
Not Let me get a close up of that.
That's awesome.
So what's the problem?
I think I got a little foliage.
It is.
There we go.
Good job.
So you can hook it there.
Fuck my life. I'll take one of them thingies.
Yeah.
Way to see. Can I walk in the trench?
No.
Shut up. You're not a judge, you jerk.
Put it in vertically, Dad.
No.
Yeah. So it just sticks right in the middle of the course. Well, it was there when we went by.
You got mud on your scorecard, Barry.
He was going for you.
You're alright. You got time to fix. Hopefully you have some parts. Bro.
We stopped. Yeah.
Come, meet me. What the hell? Eagerly off-road. I got mine on my scorecard, Nope.
Here, past these gates, and then a left. What the hell?
18 progress points, right? Minus 2 18 times because I got there's 20 gates. I hit 2. So 18 progress.
I want to see you straddle some of this.
So what's that? 18 and 18 is 36?
Yeah.
Minus 36 plus 2 10s and a penguin. Sick.
Oh, that was crazy.
Till the last
I was watching that one.
Hey, did you miss that gate?
I did.
Hey, can't skip that gate. Just come down. Gate.
It's only when the clock is out does he fly through the air and cross gates. All right. You actually don't have to. I mean, it's not going to go home with anything besides shoot the drive.
You're good.
You can edit me out?
Yeah.
That's all I was about to begin with anyways with the shoot. Batteries are cool. Past just to make it worth the edit.
That's right.
Nice climb. Right. Okay, go.
Oh, dang it. It's all...
So now back in the trench. Good, good.
They're getting narrower.
Well, you just have a really fat truck.
Or you back down to
Yeah,
here?
you betcha. Back down and then swoop back in there. And ride that V again.
Roll over.
Doesn't scale with treasure, man.
Backups don't cost.
Ooh, pretty spot. Oh, that's a gate and a half.
Oh, and 260.
Oh, I've already touched it.